Delicious with a burst of flavors, this homemade paneer 65 makes for a quick starter, easy snack, or a party appetizer. Welcome to Whada Gravy's quick recipe series. Heat a kadai with any cold-pressed oil. Add 200 grams of paneer or cottage cheese to a bowl. I have cut the paneer into medium-sized cubes. The fresher the paneer, the better the taste. To the paneer, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. This gives a bright red color. If you're using regular red chilli powder, reduce to 1 teaspoon or according to taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon salt or as per taste, 1 tablespoon curd. This is hung curd. The thicker the curd, the better the taste. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon lime juice. Mix everything well. To this add 1 3/4 tablespoon maida, and 1 1/4 tablespoon corn flour. Add a little water. Mix. Check the consistency and add some more water. This required around 5 teaspoons of water. The correct consistency is when the batter is not too thick, not too watery, and it should not cover the paneer pieces fully. The oil is heated to the right temperature. Make sure that the oil is not smoking hot, as then the paneer pieces will get burnt from outside. Now add the paneer pieces one by one. Keep turning and separating the pieces. I'm frying this in 2 batches. Once it becomes crisp and golden brown, remove onto a plate. Just before removing the second batch of paneer pieces, add 5 to 6 split green chillies and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. The green chillies will add the spice and the curry leaves the crunch. Here we have our delicious homemade paneer 65 ready. Insert some toothpicks. And squeeze some lime juice. Crisp on the outside and soft inside, serve these paneer 65 pieces with lemon wedges. You can also serve with some sliced onions if you like. Enjoy hot. If you like my videos, do subscribe. Thank you for watching and let me know your feedback in the comment section below.